In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use open sessions to collaborate with anyone with FigJam. We're going to keep this simple and practical so you can get people into your FigJam board quickly and control exactly what they can do once they're in. Start by opening your FigJam file and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the Share button. This is the control center for collaboration. Click it to open the sharing panel. If you're new to FigJam, this panel is where you decide who gets in and what they're allowed to do, all in one place. In the sharing panel, there's a field where you can invite people by email. Type the email address of the collaborator you want to join your session. You can add multiple people one after another if you're working with a team. A quick tip here, double-check spelling and domains to make sure the invite goes to the right person. If your organization has specific domains or permissions, stick to those to avoid access issues. When the invite lands in their inbox, they'll be able to open your FigJam board directly from that message. Before you send the invite, look at the permission dropdown next to the email field. By default, you might see Can View. Switch that to Can Edit if you want people to fully participate. Add sticky notes, draw, react, and move things around with you in real time. Use Can View when you're presenting or gathering feedback without changes to the board. You can always come back here later to adjust permissions as your session evolves. So don't worry if you're unsure at first. Once you've set the right permission level, click Invite. That's it. Your collaborators will receive an email, and once they join, you'll see their cursors appear on the board. If you're running a workshop or brainstorm, consider announcing quick ground rules in the chat or on a starter sticky note, like where to add ideas or which area to avoid moving. And if someone needs to be upgraded from viewer to editor on the fly, open Share again and update their permission instantly. A couple of final tips to keep your session smooth. Keep an eye on the sharing panel to confirm who has access, especially if you're working with sensitive content. You can remove people later from the same place. And if you notice lag in a busy session, try hiding heavy widgets or images until you need them. That's the full flow. Open Share, add the email, choose the right permission, and click Invite. You're ready to collaborate with confidence in FigJam.